In this video, we write a C program to find a given year is leap year or not using if-else statement. Now there are two conditions here in order to find out a given year is leap year or not, and the first one is the year must be divisible by 400. This is the first case. Otherwise, the second case is the year must be divisible by 4 and at the same time it is not divisible by 100. There are two cases here, there are two conditions here. In the second case, first one, the given year should be divisible by 4. This is the first condition, and there is also a second condition that must be true. That is, the given year should not be divisible by 100. If these two conditions are true in the second case, then we can say that year is a leap year. Okay. If either of these two conditions is true, then we can say that a given year is a leap year. What is the first condition? The year must be divisible by 400. Then we can say that year is a leap year. Otherwise, the year must be divisible by 4 and at the same time the year must not be divisible by 100. Then also we can say that year is a leap year. If both of these conditions are false, if both of these conditions do not matter, then we can say that the given year is not a leap year. Now we write a program for these two cases. First of all, I will declare a variable year, and then I will read year value, printf, enter a year. I am reading dynamically using scanf function, ampersand year. Then we are writing condition here. So we write condition for the first case, that is if year is divisible by 400, that means we apply modulus operator. If year modulus 400, it will give remainder. If the remainder is equal to 0, then we can say that similarly we can combine these two cases also. This is the first case. If this is true, then we can say that the given year is a leap year. Or what is the second case? We will also combine the second case also. Now what is the second case here? Year is divisible by 4. That means if year mod 4 is equal to 0, and at the same time another condition also must be true. And means we use logical AND. And year mod 100, that remainder should not be is equal to 0. Now both of these conditions must be true at the same time. That's why I am placing them in the parenthesis. Okay. Now I am closing if condition. Now observe here. This is the first case. This is the condition for the first case. If year mod 400 is equal to 0, that means year is divisible by 400. Or means either of these condition must be true. Second condition, we are going for second condition. What is the second condition? Year must be divisible by 4. At the same time, year should not be divisible by 100. Then we can say that printf %d year is a leap year, and for %d we are giving variable year. Else I will copy this one. Printf %d is not a leap year. This is the simple program. Now we run this. So these are the two cases here. Now we run this program. Let us say I am giving 2000. 2000 year is a leap year. Why? Because it is coming in the case, the first case, that is year value is 2000. 2000 mod 400. The remainder will be 0. That means here the first condition is satisfied. or means if either one of these conditions are true, then automatically the entire condition will be true. The logical OR operator gives true. That's why we got output 2000 year is a leap year. Now we give another output. Let us say 2004. 2004. Now observe here 2004 is also a leap year. That means in this the first condition is not satisfied. Why? Because 2004 modulus 100 is not is equal to 0. That means the first condition is failed. Now it is going for the second condition. Here the first condition is failed. It is going for second condition. That means year mod 4 is equal to 0. 2000 mod 4 is equal to 0. And this condition is year mod 100 not is equal to 0. This condition is also true. That means 2004 is divisible by 4. At the same time it is not divisible by 100. That means now this entire expression value becomes true. Here this value becomes false. But in the logical OR operator, false or true, that will give true. That means this entire condition will become true. Then we enter into this particular statement. Percentage D year is a leap year. Now we see another case. Let us say 1999. 1999 year is not a leap year. Why? Because both conditions will fail. Why? Because this condition will fail. Why? Because 1999 is not divisible by 400. This condition will fail. Similarly, this condition will also fail. That means the entire if condition becomes false. Then the control enters into else block and then we get output percentage D year is not a leap year. In this fashion, we can write a C program using if else statement to find out a given year is a leap year or not.